Thank you for watching BCP Builder's training series on business continuity management. In this video, we will be discussing the sixth professional practice in the business continuity management lifecycle, validation.
So I think the easy answer to that is simply that we update a business continuity plan to reflect changes within a department or a process. However, the whole idea of maintenance to me has an additional importance, and it symbolizes something greater. So too often the business feels like the corporate group comes around every once in a while, throws work at them to do, then disappears, and then sometime later, hopefully it's a year, hopefully it's not more than a year, they come back and ask them to do the same thing. The idea of maintenance to me means a living program. A maintained program is a living program. And who is the person that is, or the people that are supporting that aliveness has to be the business. So it creates a sense of continuity. It's not just these one-off approaches from corporate, but it's a program that is alive. It gives the business the opportunity to be aware of changes and new or newly perceived risk that they can address. It helps them with their identity of who they are, their role within the risk readiness component of their program. So I think maintenance, sure, it's the upkeep of a plan, but more than that, it's the opportunity to create a consistent and living continuity of risk awareness within a program.
Thank you for watching this video. I will be releasing these free training videos through social media each week. If you would like to view the entire series, please visit bcpbuilder.com/training.